This is Ketogeek's Coffee Protein Energy Pod. We take 25 grams of egg protein, which is a lab-tested complete protein, smash it together 24 grams of saturated fat from ghee and MCT oil, and then we compound that with 75 milligrams of caffeine from coffee, and then combine that with vanilla bean grounds for a delicious and pleasurable morning experience that gives you lasting energy throughout the entire day. So our favorite way to consume the Coffee Protein Energy Pod is as a delicious latte. So first you go ahead and scoop out all the contents of the pod into the bottom of your cup there. Nice and easy. You add 6 ounces of hot water. We recommend hot water, not completely boiling, so you don't scald your mouth. And then you take your frother and froth for roughly 15 to 20 seconds to get a nice consistency on the latte. And just like that, you have perfect sustainable energy throughout your day in the most delicious form possible.